how to set up PayPal business account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you what you need to do to be able to have your business account on your PayPal. So over here, as you can see in our PayPal home, simply click on sign up over here as you can see. And then over here, we have two options. We have personal account and business account. Simply select business account option over here. Click on next. And then this is what we're going to see. It's going to show us or prompt us with a form where we enter our first name, middle name, last name, and email address over here as you can see. Simply enter the necessary information and click on agree and create account. After that, there will be a follow-up option over here or a follow-up form. So let's give it a second over here so we could see, as you can see. So simply click on email you a code and we will be able to receive a code for our email. So ensure that you're using an authenticated email, not a fake email, to get that email that we have over here. So let me check out the code over here. And after that, as you can see, all set. So give it a second once again to load. And over here, we're going to click on let's go. And then you're simply going to enter other necessary information about yourself, about your business, and so on and so forth. And after that, as you can see, simply click on business, select the business type. So let's say nonprofit organization, click on next. And then you have all of this other information. So simply complete all of this information and then you will be able to successfully set up your PayPal business. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.